longer in the credit repair industry. So this consumer wanted to get mad and call me a bum ass. Well, you can see the text message, because his score went down instead of up, and he wanted to know why the score went down instead of up, because we deleted negative items. It's to my free score now, which is the credit monitoring. As you can see from this screenshot, consumers have bad credit because they make bad financial decisions and they don't pay their bills. Credit repair company is basically a new monthly bill. Credit monitoring is basically a new monthly bill. Now, I'm making this video just to show anybody that might be interested in getting credit repaired. You just need to understand this is the type of stuff you're going to go through every single day. You can't make everybody happy. All consumers care about is the score, not understanding that a clean credit report is far more important than that 800 credit score, because that 800